Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I will be showing you how to make your green juice for your fast. So the ingredients you'll need today are a combination of either cucumber or celery as the base. Today we've got both cucumber and a full head of celery, and we're going to go ahead and use both of those. Depending on your taste preference, you can focus or emphasize one or the other. And then, of course, you want about 20%, the remaining 20%, to be your leafy greens. So in this case, we've got some beautiful romaine lettuce. We're going to use a whole head. I've got a little bit of dandelion greens here, which are great for cleaning the blood, cleaning the liver. Just a few pieces. And then optional ingredients you can add to your green juice include a lemon. Today I'm going to use a little bit of ginger that helps kind of warm the body up, get the digestion going. And then additionally, we've got today a green apple. You could also use a red apple, a sweeter one if you like. And actually we're going to juice the apple, the lemon, and the ginger all separately. That way you can add them as you like to your juice. So to make the juice, you can use a few options. Today we're using the Green Star juicer. This is called a twin gear juicer. It reduces the oxidative potential when you're making the juice so that it lasts a little bit longer, the nutrients remain fresher. Additionally, you can use a centrifugal juicer that works just fine. And then there's press juicers, hydraulic press juicers. That includes a Norwalk if you have one of those at home. That's actually probably the best you can use. But today the twin gear is a great choice. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to juice a little bit. So the key here is to alternate the celery and cucumber, which are the juicy components, with your leafy greens. So for example, when I'm putting my romaine through the juicer, I'd put a piece of romaine in, and especially with the twin gear juicers, it's important to go nice and slow. That way you don't overload the mechanical gears of the juicer. So I'm going to put a little piece of romaine here, and then I'll follow that with either a celery stalk, or I'll go ahead and cut this cucumber in about 4 ways, longwise, and then you can go ahead and put that. So you'll alternate between leafy greens and the juicy ingredients. So we'll go ahead and get started. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start juicing. If you know in advance that you're going to want certain ingredients in your full batch of juice, like ginger or apple, you can add them now if you like. You don't have to keep them separate. I'll go ahead and show you how I incorporate apple and ginger into this green juice, just in case. Keep in mind that you're going to be juicing once a day, doing a large amount. This is going to keep for up to 24 hours, no matter which juicer you're working with. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to alternate celery with leafy greens. Cucumber as well. In this case, I'm going to add a knob of ginger in between, followed by apple. So that's the basic formula. You're just going to keep alternating your cucumber or celery with leafy greens until you have your full amount of juice. From there, we're going to dilute it 50%. Ideally, you want to be drinking at least 16 ounces 4 times a day. All right, now that we've finished our juice, I'm going to show you the dilution process. And additionally, it's nice to have some sort of strainer as you're making the juice that will filter out any pulp, fiber, or even some of the foam that's created through slight oxidation. Additionally, you can rinse this and then use it a second time if you want to filter out any additional particles. So what we're going to do here is dilute about 50-50. So for a 16-ounce juice, you'll use 1 cup of juice and 1 cup of purified clean water. either reverse osmosis, spring water, distilled water. And there you have it. Ideally, it's easier if you keep your 16-ounce portions in jars in the fridge. That way you can simply pull them out of the fridge and let them warm up when you're ready to drink them. You can also add your optional lemon juice, or if you've juiced any apple juice or carrot juice separately, you can add it in at this point too. But essentially, this is your juice. So happy fasting, and hope you all enjoy.